Hi everyone, I wanted to show here quickly that Obama doesn't want to go away and that he's trying to incite even more violence against Donald Trump. American values are at stake. Barack Obama heartened by resistance to Donald Trump. This is one of the first times in history that the president who has left office has said anything bad about the president that is in office at this time. You can see that Obama has spread his radical Islam around the world, and with the BLM violence and the hate towards the police going on, everything is set for a type of end-time civil war, World War III to rise up all around the world. This directly comes back to Barack Obama and his bitterness that he spread all across the world at this time. And now Michael Pence and Donald Trump are going to run into these problems as they try to clean everything up. But you can see right there, the front page, Obama heartened by resistance to Trump. This is an ex-president in the United States basically telling the United States of America to resist the president. This is nearly the same as treason by Barack Obama. The same as the treasonous act when he took 70 nations against Israel right before he left office. So we can all expect for violence to be coming soon across the USA and across the world. Thanks to Obama again. May God have mercy on us all. Thank you very much, everybody. I'll see you at the wedding feast of the Lamb. This is the first time ever a president who has left office is basically attacking the new president that has come into office.